Hi, I'm Christy and I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Beauty Works Double Volume Remy hairpiece. My hair has already been pre-styled as well as the weave. Okay, so to start with, we take a small section of hair from the top and clip that forward. And then to help the weave grip, backcomb a small piece of hair underneath, starting from the root. And then take the weave and slide the combs into the back of the hair. And around the bottom. And then take small pieces of hair and backcomb these over the weave. And to finish, I'm just going to smooth over the bits that I've backcombed. And this is the final look.